Imagine making this luxury flowing kaftan in just one cut. No stress, no overthinking. Hi love, so I'll be showing you guys on how to make this elegant white kaftan dress. So we are making use of 3.5 yards of fabric for this kaftan. So we are going to be folding it into two like this, and then we are going to be refolding it into another two. So mind you, that's why I said we are using 3.5 yards of fabric. So on an average is 3.5 yards for somebody like size 8 and size 10. Okay, so from there we are going to move ahead to, after folding that, this folding is just a normal way of folding your kaftan when you want to cut. Then you pin down this fabric. And another thing you need to note is that you have to use a fabric that is shaky, like crepe, um jonkoso, what's it called, chiffon materials. Those are the materials that will make this style come out so well. So I'm making use of a jonkoso fabric, so it's also shaky. I need to make it relax. Okay, so the measurement is that we are going to be using the biggest part of our body, which is the hip measurement for this part, so that it will come out so well. Okay, so we are using the hip part of this body, so I made use of the biggest part of my hip, then measure the shoulder, and I also went down by 1 inch for the shoulder slope. Then from that 1 inch shoulder slope, I measured my batwing sleeve, which is what I did at that curving part. From there I measured my shoulder to the bust line, shoulder to the half length, and shoulder to the hip line, so that we'll be able to note where the folds will actually, the all the drapes on the body will actually be looking. Okay, so that is why we are measuring all this measurements on this part. Okay, so from here we are then going to be measuring using the biggest part of our body, which is the hip measurement, and we measured hip measurement here. Then we added extra 7 inches. Okay, so please do not mind my tape, what I'm using my tape to do there. So what you need to note is you're adding extra 7 inches so that it will fall like this. And from that sleeve, which is the batwing, you'll be coming down and you will be reducing your hand and be going in by how many inches. Just see how I was able to go in at that point. And for the down part, which is the hemline, please endeavor to make use of 16 inches. That is the basic, that's the standard measurement for any person when you're making a kaftan. So 16 inches will not be too tight. So after cutting and everything, after sewing and everything, you'll be left with 15 inches, so the person will be able to walk well. Okay, so from that point, move on to measuring this part together. So another thing I need to tell you guys is that your sleeve is not separate. The volume comes with the extending from the extension from your fabric outwardly. Okay, that is what we have, and that is why it's called a batwing sleeve, because it's extended from the shoulder to the sleeve. Okay, so, and I hope you already got what I said. So from here we're going to measure our neckline. So neckline for the back, so we are cutting out this together. So we now deducted the front, one of the piece which is we're using for the front line. So when cutting the neckline for the front, please endeavor to go deeper, because you know this kaftan is not having a zipper allowance or anything. So and we're adding our collar to it, so you have to make it deeper. Okay, so when we endeavor to make use of 8 or 7 inches when making your neckline for the front, that's the depth of the neckline for the front part will be deeper, because we are going to be adding our collar to it, which will make it slimmer or will make it not to fit well on the body. So that is what we have there. So after doing that, we don't have we are going to join our shoulder together, and this is where we are measuring the part where we'll be making our butterfly, where our normal body measurement that we need so that it will be tight, it will look firm, and it will be very, very beautiful on the body. That's what makes it look classy and elegant. Okay, so from here, this is the point we measured the normal body measurement, which is our hip, our waist, and our bust measurement. Okay, so from that part, we are not going to, after doing that, we'll move on to the sewing machine to get it done. And I'm sure you're already liking what you see there. Okay, so let me know in the comment section what you don't understand on this kaftan. Just as I said, endeavor to make use of 3.5 fabric for your kaftan. That's the least you need, because you are going to be folding it into 4 parts, which is the front part, and also the back part, which is two parts, which makes it 4 parts. Okay, so just like that, you have your classy and expensive kaftan. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys on my next video. Bye.